What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today I'm reviewing Costco's new tent by Impact Canopies. It's a hybrid tent called the OOL or 00L. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. Anyways, check it out. It's here, delivered. It's actually it's from Costco. Okay, so pulling it out of the box here, just in a bag. There we go, pretty simple stuff. So it weighs 92 pounds in total, so I'd say it's a bit on the heavier for tents, for the tented size. The steel frame gives it the heaviness. There's aluminum legs that give it durability where it needs. So hybrid, kind of an elite tent for a light duty tent. So it comes with an enclosure kit with 2 doors in the front and then 2 10-foot sidewalls and a 20-foot back wall. It's a 210 denier polyester enclosure kit. So it's got the fire rating in the corner there, which is important. It's got heavy grade aluminum octagon legs, so versus steel, the aluminum's definitely better. So the steel truss bars in the top are made of heavy grade steel, so that's good. So the top is 300 denier, so it's all right. I have tents that have 500 denier top, which are pretty darn good. This one's kind of right in the middle there for tent tops, as far as tent tops go. The frame is hammer powder coated, so it's not going to get all rusty on you. It's pretty nice in that perspective. So the seams are double stitched and taped for waterproofing, so you can have this thing out in the tent. I wouldn't recommend going out in a storm with it, but it will definitely keep the rain out. It has metal D-rings on all 4 corners so that you can run ratchet straps down or strings to your tent pegs. It comes with a, so they claim, oversized bag. I think the bag needs a little bit of work, but it is what it is. You can buy a dust cover for it, or you can take the top off, what I think they want you to do to keep care of the tent is to take the top off and then put it in the included side pocket with the bag. So all parts of this tent are replaceable, and it comes with extra nuts. Mine didn't come with extra nuts, but thankfully I own lots of tents and I have extra nuts. So it's item 1402309, model 10x20, hybrid 00L canopy kit from Impact Canopies, sold by Costco. So it's got these center truss dials that you can turn, and then it makes the tent top tighter. So here's the front door wall, so 10 feet long, and then it just zippers halfway through to make some doors. So we'll just zipper this one to this one. Okay, so when it comes to clipping in walls, just make sure that your tent is down, not fully clipped in. Then buckle your walls in, and then you can clip it up fully. Okay, so when you're putting sidewalls on, this is how you should look right before you erect. Okay, now that the sidewalls are all attached to the Velcro, all you have to do is just extend everything. So you can see here that it's got zipper doors. It's got double zipper doors. And this is it on its lowest height setting. So on its lowest height setting, that's when the walls fit best. You can always do the walls a little bit hanging so that you can make the walls fit on lighter settings, or higher settings, should I say. So second time that I packed up the tent, I got it in no problem basically. So maybe I just wasn't as scared to pack it in as tight, but it worked better for me the second time. So it can, I retract what I said before, it can fit in the bag pretty good. And it wheels around pretty good as well. So, hey honey, let's go here. No wait, let's go 100 feet further because this bag's easy to carry. So it's pretty good. I've heard if you walk your tent once a day, it'll give your tents longer life. So this is my light duty tent that I use. Go get one from Costco. I don't think that you'll be disappointed. I definitely think that the ML from Costco is a big step up, but this one will last you your whole season and your next season and your season after that if you take care of it and you buy replacement parts as they break. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it one of these and sub to the channel, and as always, you stay classy.